Hi, today we are going to learn how to calculate the number of tiles you need for your home. Whether you are renovating or building from scratch, knowing how to do this yourself can save you time and money. First, let's talk about the types and sizes of tiles. In Kenya, the most common types are ceramic, porcelain, and mosaic tiles. Each type has its unique benefits. For example, ceramic tiles are cost-effective and come in various designs, while porcelain tiles are more durable and water-resistant. Tiles also come in various sizes. The most common sizes are 30 by 30 centimeter and 60 by 60 centimeters. The size you choose will affect how many tiles you need. Next, let's measure the area of the room. All you need is a measuring tape, a notepad, and a calculator. Measure the length and width of the room in meters and write them down. Now, multiply the length by width to get the area. In our example, that is 4 meters times 3 meters, giving us 12 square meters. To find out how many tiles you need, first calculate the area of one tile. A 30 by 30 centimeters tile is 0.09 square meters. Now, divide the total area of the room by the area of one tile. For our 12 square meter room, we will need about 134 tiles. It's always a good idea to add an extra 10 to 15% to account for waste and breakage. So we multiply our 134 tiles by 1.10 to get 147 tiles. Always round up to ensure you have enough. If your room has irregular shapes or obstacles, measure these areas separately and add them to your total. For patterned or special design tiles, order a few extra to match the design perfectly. In conclusion, calculating the number of tiles for your home is straightforward once you know the steps. Remember to double check your measurements and always order a few extra tiles. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact us at www.veewaventerprises.co.ke. At Veewave Enterprises, we connect you with expert tile installers and suppliers to make your renovation seamless. Reach out to us for professional help and quality tiles from our partner, SAJ Ceramic.